Go to YouTube and search for. Then sign up to this new tool and go back to YouTube and click on some video, watch it until the end and just collect your earnings. Today I will show you the easiest way of how to make money online 2022. Now you have to admit that you watch YouTube videos every single day. I do it as well, but recently I found a way to get paid $900 while watching those absolutely free YouTube videos, which is the best way to make money online 2022. And these are some of the payment proofs right here. This is $91 directly to PayPal, then another $128 earned all in one single day while watching YouTube videos. This works in all countries around the world, and they have different payment methods like PayPal, Bitcoin, web money, Payeer, bank transfer and many more. Now right before I show you how to make money online like this for watching those YouTube videos, there's something that we need to set up. So step number 1 is to come over to YouTube and search for different keywords. I want you to search for a gaming keyword that is popular in the gaming niche. So maybe that can be Fortnite, Minecraft, GTA, Roblox, or whatever game you can think of. That's for just one particular niche, and you can choose any niche or multiple niche videos that you usually watch on YouTube, but make sure that it's a popular keyword in that niche. Let's say you mostly watch gaming videos on YouTube. What you can do is, you can type for the game of Fortnite and just search for that, then leave the search results open like that. We will get back to this page in a minute. Now for the step 2, I want you to come over to this site. I will reveal the name of this site in a minute. But now, I want you to sign up to this site from register option on top right corner. This is the website that we will be using to get paid just for watching these videos on YouTube, and you will see exactly how this works. You can create an absolutely free account by filling some simple information like a unique username, fill in your email ID, create password, check this box of I am not a robot, agree to terms and conditions, and click on register. Now if you're wondering what this actually is, well, this is a link shortening service platform, which means that you can copy any URL or any link of anything, and you can paste it right here in this box, and they will shorten it for you. And whenever someone clicks on your shortened link, you will get paid. As you can see, in this case you will get paid $220 per 10,000 views or $22 per 1,000 views, but you will see exactly how this works and exactly how to make money online from watching YouTube videos. Now the reason why we are using this site and not any other link shortening service is because they have a very low minimum payout, which is only $5, and you can reach $5 in like just a couple of minutes, and then you will be able to cash out your earnings directly to PayPal or any other payment methods you prefer. So you don't have to wait around to have hundreds of dollars to get paid. You can start to make money today itself and will be able to cash out either to PayPal, Bitcoin, Payeer, bank transfer, etc. So once you register on this site, this is how your dashboard will look like. Here you can track your earnings, and if you click on statistics on the left-hand side, you will be able to see the total views you got, the total earnings, and your referral earnings from the site, and then from the left-hand side you will be able to withdraw your money. Now step 3 is to come back to YouTube again, and the reason we have searched for Fortnite keyword is because Fortnite is really popular in the gaming niche. It's really trending, like take a look at this. This video was posted just 5 days ago, and it already has over 1 million views, so a lot of people are interested in Fortnite, and it's fun to watch those gaming YouTube videos, so it's not going to be really hard to make money online with this method. All you need to do is search for such a popular keyword like a Fortnite or anything you usually watch or you can think of that is really very popular. For the purpose of this video, we are going to use the Fortnite gameplay YouTube video. So I will click and open up one of these videos, for example this one right here. And what I will need to do is, I will just need to watch it all the way till the end and just pay attention that it's a good entertaining video. So just sit back, relax, enjoy watching those YouTube videos. Your job is to just watch those fun trendy videos until the end and make sure they are good gameplay videos. Once you are done watching the video and you saw that it's a good one, I want you to copy the URL of that YouTube video from share option under this video and copy the link that takes people to the video. Then step 4 is to go back to the dashboard of this website and click here where it says new shortened link. Now you just have to paste the URL of that YouTube video in this box. And in the alias, you have to write some unique title for shortening this link. Most of you were facing issues related to alias in the previous video. Alias is just a unique name for certain link, just like your unique username. So, if someone already used an alias, you won't be able to use it. For example, if I use the alias CashPro 2.0 and press shorten, it will give me my shortened link for that particular video. But now you or anyone else cannot use the same CashPro 2.0 alias for shortening their URL on the site. You have to use some other unique alias for this. And the simple solution for this is to leave the alias box blank. So for example, if I leave this box blank and click on shorten button again, it will still provide me with a new shortened link for that video, and this shortened link will take people to that Fortnite gameplay YouTube video. But now whenever someone will click on this link, you will get paid again and again, and you will see exactly how that will make you money. But before that, the name of this website is shrinkme.io, and I want to show you how much money you can make on this website. As you can see, if you get 1,000 views from the Greenland, you will get $22 per 1,000 views. If you get the same from United States, you will get $7 per 1,000 views. You can check the rates for other countries from the list, but for this video I will show you a secret trick for getting views from United States and Greenland only, because United States has the most active users in the gaming niche, and the Greenland will pay us more money even in less views. So like this video and subscribe to the channel with bell notifications on. So step 5, after you copy your shortened link, you will come over to a website called forums.pcgamer.com, and this website will set everything on autopilot for us, so we can watch those YouTube videos, and by using this website, we can get payments every single day just like this. You can see, all these are real payment proofs on ShrinkMe website, and people are being paid every single day. Now, forums.pcgamer.com is a forum where people come to discuss about gaming news, updates, and all other different gaming stuff. And the reason we are using this forum is because this website is getting over 100,000 monthly visits, so every single month over 100,000 people are using this website. And if you do the math, that can end up being a lot of clicks, and we can get paid a lot of money from those clicks. The reason we are watching only popular videos and popular keywords on YouTube, so that we can get more clicks and we can earn more money. So the more popular videos you watch, the more money you can make with this method. And if you see on these stats of PC Gamer Forum, you will find that most of their traffic comes from United States alone. Now I want you to search for your keyword, which in this case is going to be the Fortnite. So you will search for Fortnite and you will be able to see that there are new posts about Fortnite on this website, so a lot of people are interested in this game. But how can we actually attract them to click on our shortened link that takes people to this YouTube video, and how can we attract them to watch the Fortnite gameplay YouTube video so we can make money from this? Well, you just want to post something trending and some interesting news and updates about the Fortnite game on this forum, and then leave your shortened link under your post that takes people to the Fortnite gameplay video. So for this, you can come over to Google and search for Fortnite news. You will find some article that has an update, or the articles that has some breaking news about Fortnite. For example, I will open up this one. I will copy this article and I will paste it in Google Docs. Now below the article, I will just copy my video title, which is "The final update is here," and I will paste that right here. Then I will just copy my shortened link of that video from shrinkme.io, and I will go back to Google Docs and paste it right here. Now I will copy this entire article and I will come back to forums.pcgamer.com. Here I will post the article with the shortened link of Fortnite gameplay video so people can see it. They will be interested in Fortnite news and updates. And once they read the news and updates, they will see this title and video link under the article, and whenever they will click on this link, I will get paid again and again. As you can see, thousands of people are using this website, so we can reach out to hundreds of thousands of people and can get thousands and thousands of clicks on any post. You can just imagine how much money you can make by watching more and more videos, by shortening more and more links, and by posting more and more posts on the forum.pcgamer.com. Now to get clicks from Greenland and to earn the most amount of money on this site, just go to Google and search for game forums again. And after that, all you have to do is to click on the settings gear icon and then select the advanced search option from here. And on this advanced search page, scroll down a little bit and you have to find the region option from there, then search for Greenland and select it from the region box. Then just click on advanced search button in the bottom of this page. And after that, you will find different game forums available in Greenland where you can share the same Google article template and start to make money with this. So, now you can just imagine how much money you can make by watching more and more videos and by shortening more and more links. So go to YouTube, search for the Fortnite keyword, watch as many videos as you can, grab as many links as you can, and make as much money as you want. That's it for today, and if you want to make even more money, then click on the video showing on the screen right now.